Okay, so today we're going to do a flashlight bypass valve test on this Fram endurance oil filter, number FE4967. And right here we got this is a used filter, bypass valve here, and it fits in here pretty much only one way. But you'll see it go in there. There, it's seated in there. And we'll shine a flashlight through here. And if we see any light coming out from in here where it seats in, then that means unfiltered oil could go through there and, you know, come out and it wouldn't be filtered. So let me get the light. Okay, so you can see it all. Yeah, I can see light right there. See it? You can see it right. It's coming right there. Yep. Even if I'm pushing on it, yeah, it's still there. You can see it when I'm pushing on it. Yep. This filter failed the test. Yep, because that's really in there. It's seated in there. Let me get the light. Okay. Yeah, you can see that's all the way in there. But still, you know, you can see that it doesn't really seat all the way. Definitely, if these were made with a gasket on here, I don't think any unfiltered oil would go through. But as it is, this one failed the test. Alright, so I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.